Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Coffee Machines. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Maral Automatic Coffee Machine. Customized one-touch drinks, a warm cup now and later, adjustable steel burr grinder. Enjoy a cup while it brews, automatically froths milk, removable brew group. Featuring a 19-bar, high-performance pump that creates powerful pressure to extract maximum flavor and aroma for a robust coffee experience. Number 4. Keurig Coffee Machine. 5 Cuban pesos sizes including new 12 ounces brew size. Adjustable temperature. Strong brew, brew a stronger, more intense cup. Available direct water line plumbing. NSF certified. Drainable internal tank. Dedicated hot water line. Number 3. Chibo Coffee Machine. Bean to brew, single serving. Boost button to increase coffee intensity. Elegant, intuitive LED panel, with touchscreen operation. Number 2. Jura S8 Coffee Machine. Prepare 15 barista quality specialties, including espresso, coffee, cappuccino, flat white and latte macchiato, at the touch of a button. Ultimate coffee quality, thanks to Jura's exclusive pulse extraction process. 64-ounce water tank, 10-ounce bean container. Number 1. Mail Coffee Machine. Program up to 4 user profiles with individual settings for portion size, strength, brewing temperature and more. Make 1 or 2 servings at the touch of a button. Convenient cleaning programs for care and maintenance.